Okay, guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to show you how to buy a little Bitcoin with your Cash App. So, for most of you all, your Cash App screen looks just like this. And if you go down and you hit the actual money sign, not the money sign, but the actual amount of money that you have, if you press that button, it'll take you to this screen where it's on your money page. Well, if you see here, you see how much cash you have sitting in your account. Well, from there, you see where it says Bitcoin. You want to hit the Bitcoin tab. And then from there, you want to hit buy. And then if there's a particular amount that you want, you can go ahead. Those are the quick tabs, just like at an ATM machine. But if you very simply hit that, and like how I'm going to do is just buy $80 worth. Wants my Face ID. Let's see if I got to put it in. All right. Purchase went through. As you see, I actually got $78.19. $1.81 went towards fees. And now I'm confirming that purchase. And that's how much Bitcoin I got right now. Okay. So that's how it's done. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the box below. If not, we'll holler at your boy.